Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Math with Marcus. Here is a problem about area and perimeter from Course 2. That's a 7th grade book, and it's 1-84. So find the perimeter and area of each figure. This is a trapezoid, so we could find the area of this shape using the formula of a trapezoid. However, I think I'm going to turn this into, if I can get this pen to work, there we go. I'm going to turn this into a rectangle with a triangle attached. So that's now my right angle. I now have a rectangle with a triangle here. This shape is an 11 by 9, an 11 by 9 rectangle. And then my triangle up top, I'll do in blue. My triangle up top in blue is a 9. So the base of my triangle is 9. It's equivalent to the one down here. If this distance from here to here is 11 and the whole thing is 15, I know that this up here must be 4 meters. So I've got a 9 by 11 rectangle and a triangle with a base of 9 and a height of 4. So to find the area, I'm going to take the area of the triangle and add the area of the rectangle. So plus the area of the rectangle. All right. So for the triangle, I've got the area is 1/2. So the formula, we're going to do a 3-line procedure. So write the formula first. Area is 1/2 times base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. Actually, let me use that one. I'm going to do that one instead. Oh. All right. So we're going to do base times the height, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So plug it in as the next line. So the base is 9, height is 4, and then we're going to divide by 2. So this gets us 36. 36 divided by 2, 18. So 18 square meters. And for rectangle, area of a rectangle is base times height. So the area is 9 times 11. Which is 99 meters squared. So we're going to add them together, and that's going to get us our total area. So area for this guy, area equals, if we just add 1 square unit, we get 100. So 117 square meters. That's the area. Perimeter of this shape, well, we just add up all of the side lengths. So we've got 11 plus 9 and 85/100ths plus 15 plus 9. So we've got the perimeter is 11 plus 9, which is going to be 20, plus 15, which is 35, plus almost a 10. So 35, so that'd be 45, but 15/100ths less. So 44 and 85/100ths. I think that's how that works. Let me just check. So 11, 9, 15, and 9. Yeah. All right. So that's our perimeter for that trapezoid here. So area, 117 meters squared, perimeter, 44 and 85/100ths meters, not meters squared. Here we've got another triangle. So for the area of a triangle, the area is base times height, and all that divided by 2. So plug it in, we've got our base of 9, and the height of this thing, it goes from the the vertex down to the base at a right angle. That's the key. So this is not the height because it's not a right angle here. This is not a right angle. So it's actually outside of the triangle. So the height is 4. And if we do that, we get 36 again. So 36 divided by 2 is 18 again. 18 meters squared. Interesting. Now, perimeter, adding up the side lengths. So the side lengths of this guy is, or gal for that matter, come on, there we go, is 9 plus 7 plus 14. So perimeter 9 plus 7 plus 14. So 9 and 7 make 16, and 16 plus 14 is 30 meters is the perimeter. All right, hope you enjoyed.